Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Rahul Tech. Today we're going to discuss about how to install the WordPress in your local PC. And I hope if you have watched my previous video about the WordPress introductions, you will get an idea how to install the WordPress in server like the Hostinger. I've preferred the servers like Hostinger, SiteGround, GoDaddy, InMotion. There are many other servers available, but I have the Hostinger server already purchased, so I go through that. Okay, and today we'll talk about how to install WordPress in local. To set up the WordPress in local, there are some key factors or software required, such as Apache, PHP, PHP and let's say MySQL. Okay, these are the software required to install the WordPress. But I do have very smart trick where you do not need all of those software. By just installing the one software, you can access your WordPress directly through that software. The software name is local WP. Okay, so let me dive into that. We're going to search local WP in front of you. I mean, my screen is visible, so you can go, okay, let's download. Let's decide, let's choose your device. I'm using the Windows. Tech. You can just skip this part. Download process. I wanted to make this download process in front of you so you guys can realize and see the exact process which I have been trying to follow, and I'm going to install each and every step so you can follow the exact steps in your PC to install local WP and install the WordPress. I supposed to install before recording this video, but that might be a not real-time things, right? Therefore, I've downloaded in front of you. Okay, let's now begin the installation process. Okay, install. Next. It is not going to take huge time. Okay, our installation has been done. Now let's finish and run the local. Let's agree. Okay, it is asking to create an account. Definitely will create it. I preferred with the Google, so I do not need to type all these basic information. Right, it is connected. Open local. All right. So now our local WP has been installed. Now the first step is to create a new website here. Create a new website, create from the blueprint, or select any existing zip. We would go with create a new one. We're going to type first WordPress blog. Okay, there are advanced options. Let's see. You can set your own domain for your local only. Okay, do not use this domain as in a server, because this will not work on in any other web PC or devices. This will work on your local PC only, not any other way. Okay, here is the path as well where the site will be installed. I would not like to preferred custom. You can choose the custom, like in the local WP. It is allowing us to choose whatever the previous PHP version it is. I would like to, and the Apache and the NGXs and the database version as well, but I would like to go with the preferred that is set by default from the local WP. Let's set a username and password. You can choose English, you can choose multi-website, single website. In this video, we're going to go with the default option. We're not going to add anything extra. Okay, allow. I have multiple users in my PC. That is the reason it is asking me to add the password from the Windows side. Otherwise, it will not ask you in your PC if you have only one user. Allow. The second prompt for mail thing, and the third prompt for the NGXS server. and this is for the command processor. I think that's it. The WordPress downloaded has been started. It's taking a bit time. Alright, so our WordPress has been installed. You can set a trust here to make sure your domain work with the SSL in your local as well. Okay, you can open the site. See? Alright, so our WordPress has been installed with the help of local WP software, and as I mentioned, we really do not need to add any other software to go install the WordPress in your local. By just simply install the local WP and you'll get your WordPress ready with your local PC. Okay, and it's not like that you cannot write the PHP code. You can always write a PHP code. Here's the your environment where the WordPress file has been stored. Okay, let's see if I'm going to create a new file, test.php, and I'm going to type something echo. And if you open that file here, it will work. So you'll get as same experience as you have you are doing with the server. Okay, so basically just create a virtual server in your local PC where you can do whatever you would like to do and whatever you can do on your server, the exact same thing. Even you can just enable these one-click admin. Okay, and then if you'll open here, let me log out. So local WP has really nice features. See, it has been logged in by default. You really do not need to do anything else. So many things you can do with this. Even it has the mail page installed. So if there is any kind of the functionality which is related to mail, it will work as well. So you do not even need to worry about, or you do not need to even set up any kind of the mail part or SMTP. You'll get your mail by default with the local WP. Alright, so I think that is it in today's video. We'll talk more about how to use the post and all those things in our next video. Till the time, bye bye. Thank you so much. Please like my channel. Please subscribe my channel Rahul Tech. I really need your support, and once again thank you so much for watching this video.